Good morning, everyone. I am finalizing your grades. So you will notice that now your percentage will be a whole number. So what I do is I turn on rounding so it mathematically rounds. I After that, I don't do anything to your grade. So if you end up at an 89%, then that's your grade, or if you end up at a 79%, that's your grade. Um, it could be that you had like an 88.6 and it rounded to 89. So whatever you see on there, that is your grade. That is what you have earned. I don't give grades, so I don't change anything. I'm not gonna give you another grade. And just so you guys know, this always comes up. So if you do see an 89%, like that's just what you earned, and I've already rounded, so that's what your grade will be. So as you guys are aware, the superintendent passed, or we were told by the superintendent not to fail anyone. So the lowest grade anyone can get is a D. But I am cross-referencing your 10-week grade. So if you had like a really bad grade and you end up passing, it's not that I gave you the grade, it's that you had a passing grade at the 10 weeks. So legally, we can't give you guys a lower grade. So that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful summer. Take care, stay safe, and it was a pleasure having you guys as my students this year. Goodbye.